Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Miss Chelsea, and today we are going to study subject Mathematics for Standard First. Okay, students? Yes. So, students, as you all must be knowing that from combined book number 1, we have finished all the lessons, right? मतलब combined book number 2 से मैं आपको सब लेसन्स पढ़ा सकी हूँ, बराबर। मैंने आपको सब लेसन्स इस बुक से पढ़ाए हैं, बराबर। यस। तो बच्चों, जैसा कि आप सबको पता ही होगा, इन nowadays we are filming a lecture on revision, right? हम revision start. Okay, so now we will start our revision. Okay, so students, can you tell me in our last lecture हमने कौन से लेसन का रिवीजन देखा? Yes, who will tell me? Yes. So students, in today's lecture we are going to revise lesson number 25 and 26. Okay, students? Yes. So, students, do you remember what I have taught you in lesson number 25? Yes. आपको पता है मैंने आपको लेसन नंबर 25 और लेसन नंबर 26 में क्या क्या सिखाया था? Okay. So, before starting with the revision, let us write subject, unit's name and standard on a blackboard. So students, in the place of unit, we will write revision. क्योंकि हमारा रिविजन का लेक्चर शुरू है, so we will write revision. Okay? And students, तो बच्चों, आप कौन से स्टैंडर्ड में पढ़ रहे हो? You are studying in first standard, so we will write first. So students, now let us start with our revision. Okay? So let us start with the revision of lesson number 25 और वो है steps of 10. Okay, students? Yes. So students, आपको पता ही होगा, मैंने आपको लेसन नंबर 25 में, दैट इज स्टेप्स ऑफ 10, इस लेसन में क्या क्या पढ़ाया था? मैंने आपको सब भी टेंस पढ़ाए थे, बराबर। 10 से लेकर 100 तक जितने भी टेंस आते हैं वो मैंने आपको पढ़ाए थे, बराबर। सो नाउ लेट अस रिवाइज द टेंस इन शॉर्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? Yes. So students, can you tell me after number 10 which number comes? After number 10, 20 comes, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These numbers are known as tens. Okay? Only till numbers 90, the numbers are in form of tens. Okay? And 100 is not tens. Let me show you. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. तो बच्चों, अभी आप जितने भी नंबर्स ब्लैक बोर्ड पर देख रहे हैं, these numbers are known as tens. Okay? So see, in tens there is only one 10 and number, there are 2 tens, okay, and 0 unit. In 30 number, we have 3 tens. 40, we have 4 tens. 50, we have 5 tens. 60, we have 6 tens. 70, we have 7 tens. 80, we have 8 tens. And for 90, we have 9 tens. Okay, students? Yes. So, for example, if I told you that I have 20 chocolates, so can I say that I have 2 tens? Yes, I can say that. बराबर बच्चों, अगर मैं आपको कहती हूँ मेरे पास 20 चॉकलेट है, मतलब मेरे पास 2 टेंस है, तो बराबर हुए ना बच्चों? यस। उसी तरह से मैं अगर कहती हूँ आपको मेरे पास 50 balls है, so can you tell me how many tens I am having? I am having 5 tens, right students? Yes. So students, now we saw numbers from 10 to 90. These all numbers that you are seeing on the blackboard are known as tens. Okay students, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Okay students? So students, now let us start with the revision of lesson number 26 और वो है coins and currency notes. Okay, let us start. Student, now let us start with the revision of lesson number 26. Okay, और वो है coins and currency note. And this is the last chapter of book number 2, right? Yes. तो बच्चों, आपको पता है मैंने आपको इस लेसन में क्या क्या सिखाया था? बताओ बताओ. Yes. In this lesson we saw coins. Coins यानी चिल्लर. और currency note. Currency note यानी 10 रुपए की नोट, 20 रुपए की नोट, 100 रुपीस की नोट. These are notes, right students? Yes. तो बच्चों, आप सबको पता ही होगा मनी प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर लाइफ, राइट? मतलब पैसे हमारे सबके जीवन में बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण चीज होती है. बराबर बच्चों? यस. पैसे से ही हम खिलौने, वेजिटेबल्स, क्लोथ्स और जो कुछ भी आपको चाहिए वो हम पैसे से ही खरीदते हैं. बराबर बच्चों? यस. तो बच्चों चलिए इस लेसन की रिवीजन से शुरुआत करते हैं. ओके बच्चों? तो बच्चों, नाउ ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड आई विल राइट some questions here to answer. Okay students? So students, as you can see on the blackboard, on this side I have written 1 rupee, 5 rupees, 2 rupees and 10 rupees. Right? And on this side, I have written the symbol. Right? So now, let us match. Okay? So what is the first question? Our first question is 1 rupee. Okay, students? Now tell me, on this side, where can you see 1 rupee written? This? No. This? No. This? Yes. So let us match. Okay, students? 1 rupee. Understood, students? Yes. So now let us solve the second question. Okay? What is second question? 5 rupees. Okay, students? अभी आपको मुझे बताना है इस साइड में 5 रुपी यह कहाँ लिखा है? Here. Right, students? This is 5 rupee. So, students, now you tell me. We can match this? Yes, we can match. So, students, what is our third question? Who will read out it for me? 2 rupees. Right? So, students, look here and tell me where I have written 2 rupees. These? No. These? Yes. So, let us match. So, students, these is our 10 rupees. Right? So, students, now tell me, where can you see 10 rupees written? These. Right? So, students, let us match. Okay, students. So, now what we saw? On this side, I had written the words. And on this side, I had drawn the symbols. Right, students? Yes. And we match this. Yes. So, students, now we are going to solve the third question, that is, read and write the answers. Okay? Before solving that, let us take a oral revision. Okay? See, students, if I have a pencil and the price of pencil is rupees 2, so how we will pay the rupees 2? Yes, we can pay rupees 2 by giving coin also. 1 rupee coin also we can give. Also, we can give 1 coin of rupees 2. Right? And if you have 1 note of rupee 2, you can give that also. Right, students? Also, let me give you one more example. If I have 1 compass, okay, and the price of the compass is rupees 10. So now tell me, how can we give rupees 10? Yes, we can give 2 notes of rupees 5. Also, we can give 2 coins of rupees 5. Right? And also we have one option, that is, we can give 5 coins of 2 rupee each. Right, students? Yes. So now let us start with the revision of question number 3rd, that is, read and write the answers. Okay? Let us see it. Students, let us solve our 3rd question. Okay? So students, what's the question? A ball was bought by giving 3 notes of 5 rupees. So what's the price of the ball? तो बच्चों हमें यहाँ क्या बताया गया है? एक लड़के ने एक बॉल लाया था, ओके, और उस बॉल के लिए उसने 3 नोट्स दिए थे और 3 coins of 5 rupees. Okay, not notes. He gave 3 coins of 5 rupees to the man. Okay, to the ball seller. So students, so what's the price of the ball? तो हमें पूछा गया है कि उस बॉल की प्राइस क्या थी? Okay, so let us count students. He gave 3 coins of rupees 5. So this is 1 coin of rupees 5. This is second coin. And this is third coin. Okay. So now let us add all the coins. 5 plus 5 is 10. Right? And 10 plus 5 is 15. So students, all together our answer is rupees. He gave 1 note of 10 rupees and 1 coin of rupees 5. Okay. Also we can give in this manner. 1, 2, 3, 5, 5 and 5. Okay students. So all together the cost of the ball was rupees 15. Right students? Yes. So students, now let us solve orally the revision of one more word problem. Okay. So let me read out the question for you. The price of a pencil is rupees 2 and the price of an eraser is rupees 1. Find the total price. तो बच्चों हमें क्या पूछा गया है? एक पेंसिल की कीमत 2 रुपए है और एक इरेजर की कीमत 1 रुपए है। तो कुल मिलाकर उन दोनों की प्राइस कितने हो गई? चलिए बताओ। द प्राइस ऑफ पेंसिल इज रुपीज 2, ओके, एंड the price of eraser is rupees 1. So altogether the price of both the items is rupees 3. Right students? Yes. So students, let us solve one more word problem orally. Okay? A bunch of methi cost 10 rupees. How many 10 rupees coins are needed to pay for it? Okay students, a bench of mathi costs 10 rupees. How many 2 rupees coins are needed to pay for it? Okay, एक मेथी की कीमत है 10 रुपए। अभी हमें 2 कॉइन्स, अभी हमें 2 रुपए कॉइन्स कितने चाहिए होंगे उसे पे करने के लिए? यस। So students, our answer is we will need 5 coins of 2 rupees each. बराबर सी 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So कुल मिलाकर हुए ना 10. So we need 2 coins of 5 times. Okay students? Yes. So students, I will send you the homework, that is the homework of your revision on your mobile phone. Okay students? Yes. Thank you students and bye.